YouTube bought me a house. Okay, no, I'm not Mr. Beast. YouTube didn't buy me this house. YouTube bought me this house. May not be a giant mansion, but I'm still really excited about it, so let's go check it out. I've been creating DIY home maintenance content for YouTube for the last 5 years, and in that time I have saved every dime that I have made from YouTube ad revenue and from my affiliate links in my videos, all in anticipation of this moment.
This house was in pretty rough shape to start with, so it's going to take a lot of work to get it up and ready to rent. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house totaling just under 1,000 square feet, sitting on a corner lot with a 1-car garage and a fenced-in backyard. The purchase price was $107,000. Included in the negotiations was a new roof, which was replaced after the close. After the purchase of the home, I had about $10,000 left in my YouTube funds for the renovation of the property, and I hope to rent it out for about $1,200 a month. I was able to save quite a bit of money by doing a lot of the labor myself, so replacing the blinds, the light fixtures, all of the painting, replacing the appliances. I filmed all of those projects individually and posted them on YouTube, and I will include links for those videos down in the description of the video. One of the most expensive parts in any renovation is the bathroom. This bathroom was in really rough shape, so it needed a new bathtub and a new vanity. I went with a Delta bathtub and a Moen tub shower valve kit. In total, that was $700, and then I had it professionally installed for an additional $1,200. From my local hardware store, I purchased an inexpensive vanity cabinet with the top, faucet, and a medicine cabinet mirror for around $300. The plumbing fixtures to renovate the bathroom ran me about $2,200 in total. Next, we have the paint. Paint can be pretty expensive. I did have to prime and paint everything in this house. That is the walls, the floor, the ceiling, everything. So I went to Sherwin-Williams, and for a primer, paint for the walls, paint for the trim and doors, and paint for the outside, I spent in total $800. Paint can be really labor intensive and time consuming, so if you're going to be doing this often, I recommend the Power products from Wagner. With these, I was able to put a coat of paint on this entire house in just a few hours. I will put a link for these in the description of the video. For the light fixtures, I did a Hunter ceiling fan in the living room, and then inexpensive boob-style globe lights in the rest of the house. In total, my light fixtures ran $300. We always use Kwikset for all of our door hardware. We were able to replace all of the doorknobs and hinges on all the doors in this house from Amazon for $300. There wasn't a powered garage door opener, so I purchased a Chamberlain opener from Amazon and installed it for $200. In the kitchen, we did a new sink with a new faucet, new dishwasher, new microwave, and we got a great deal on a used stove. In total, the kitchen renovation was $1,000. One of the largest expenses in this project was the flooring. We put LVP in the living room, down the hallway, and into the bathroom. Then we chose to go with the sheet vinyl to try to save some money in the kitchen, and then carpeted the bedrooms. In total, it cost about $3,500 to replace the flooring in this house. We finished this off with some cordless blinds from Shakeology that we purchased on Amazon. In total, to put blinds in the whole house was about $150. We spent an additional $300 in miscellaneous materials to finish out this project, bringing our grand total of the renovations up to $8,750, which makes the grand total of the project $115,750, coming in just below budget. And that's a wrap. I'm so excited because I've just finished up this investment property and we're ready for it to hit the market. In the market we live in, we're expecting to get about $1,200 a month for this house. I would not be able to buy investment property without the revenue that I've made from this channel, and I cannot thank you enough. The revenue that I've been able to make off of my YouTube channels is what paid for this house, and now this house is going to hit the market and start bringing me in additional income that I'll be able to roll into the next one, and we can keep this train going. I have seen how real estate can build generational wealth, and this is how it starts right here with our first investment property. My plan is to keep making videos and to keep buying more rental properties, so please like and subscribe so you can see what we get ourselves into next time.